Thomas here, Barry behind the camera. Today we are looking at a 2020 Kia Sportage EX. This thing is nice. So starting here with the engine, it's a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, so it's going to get you where you're going rather quick, but you're going to get some good fuel savings. Again, safety features in here. You have the breakaway mounts as well, so if you ever were to get in a collision, engine drops down, doesn't push it back for you. Coming around the side, got some beautiful 18-inch alloy rims here. I really like the look of that. Moving on down, you have your keyless entry. On top there, you get that. That's a panoramic sunroof. We're going to go inside after. We'll take another look at that, but beautiful feature. And then, of course, it's going to be summertime here. It pretty much is already, but road trips, storage space, key component. Lots of storage space in here. It's a 5-seater, so taking the family camping, going to the cabin, anything like that. Lots of room for whatever you need to bring along. Next, we're jumping inside. We'll take a look at some of the features in there. Inside the vehicle now. So there is the beautiful panoramic sunroof we were talking about, letting in all that natural light. Starting down here by the shifter, you have your different drive modes, so normal, eco, and sport. You have your differential lock, so that will help if you're in a little bit of snow, want to lock it up similar to 4x4 and get out of there. Up here you have a wireless phone charger and a USB, so both are good for charging your phones there. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, your climate control here, and then your infotainment center. So you do have CarPlay and Android Auto. Also, you have your hands-free dialing. This vehicle is just so nice. It's not going to last long. Summertime's here. Get a vehicle that's going to fit your whole family. Go on some amazing adventures this summer. Give us a call, 306-955-5080. Or come on down, take it for a test drive at 730 Brand Road. See you soon.